Nestled amidst the serene landscapes of eastern Ontario, Canada, lies the quaint and welcoming town of Casselman. Surrounded by rolling hills, fertile farmland, and gentle streams, Casselman exudes a rural charm that captivates both residents and visitors alike. Located within the United Counties of Prescott and Russell, Casselman offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of urban life while providing easy access to nearby metropolitan centers, including Ottawa, the nation's capital. With its rich history, vibrant community spirit, and picturesque surroundings, Casselman embodies the essence of small-town living at its finest. From its humble beginnings as a settlement rooted in agriculture to its modern-day status as a thriving community, Casselman has evolved while retaining its distinct character and sense of identity. Casselman boasts a rich and storied history that dates back to the early 19th century. The town's origins are deeply rooted in the pioneering spirit of its settlers, who ventured into the untamed wilderness of Upper Canada in search of new opportunities and a better life. The area that would become Casselman was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples, including the Algonquin, who lived harmoniously with the land for generations. With the arrival of European settlers in the early 1800s, the landscape began to transform as forests were cleared and homesteads were established. The history of Casselman is closely tied to the development of agriculture in the region. The fertile soil and favorable climate made it an ideal location for farming, and settlers quickly began to cultivate the land, growing crops such as wheat, barley, and oats. Small family farms dotted the countryside, forming the backbone of the local economy and shaping the rural landscape. The name Casselman itself has origins tied to the area's early settlers. It is believed to have been named after a prominent local family or landowner, though the exact origins of the name remain somewhat uncertain. Throughout the 19th and early 20th centuries, Casselman continued to grow and prosper as more settlers arrived in the area. The construction of the Canada Atlantic Railway in the late 1800s further spurred development, providing a vital link to markets in Ottawa and beyond. The railway brought increased trade and commerce to Casselman, fueling the expansion of businesses and industries in the area. Incorporated as a village in 1957, Casselman continued to evolve into the vibrant community it is today. Over the years, the town has embraced its cultural heritage and celebrated its agricultural roots through festivals, events, and community gatherings. While agriculture remains an important part of Casselman's identity, the town has also diversified its economy, attracting new residents and businesses from a variety of backgrounds. Today, Casselman stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of its founders, embodying the values of hard work, perseverance, and community pride. As the town looks to the future, it remains committed to preserving its rich history while embracing new opportunities for growth and prosperity. Casselman is located approximately 50 kilometers southeast of Ottawa, the nation's capital, making it an attractive destination for those seeking a blend of rural tranquility and easy access to urban amenities. The town's landscape is defined by its gently undulating terrain, with fertile fields and woodland stretching as far as the eye can see. The South Nation River, a tributary of the Ottawa River, meanders through the area, adding to the town's scenic charm. Casselman experiences a typical continental climate, characterized by 4 distinct seasons and moderate temperature variations throughout the year. Summers are generally warm and humid, with average temperatures ranging from 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Winters are cold and snowy, with temperatures often dipping below freezing, particularly during the peak of the season. Snowfall is common from December through March, blanketing the landscape in a pristine layer of white. Spring and autumn bring mild temperatures and vibrant displays of nature's beauty as the landscape awakens from its winter slumber or transitions into a tapestry of rich fall colors. The changing seasons offer residents and visitors alike ample opportunities to explore the great outdoors, whether it's hiking through lush forests, cycling along scenic trails, or enjoying water-based activities on the South Nation River. Casselman's geography and climate contribute to its idyllic setting, making it a sought-after destination for those seeking a peaceful retreat amidst nature's splendor. Whether you're drawn to its rolling countryside, charming small-town atmosphere, or abundance of outdoor recreational opportunities, Casselman offers a little slice of paradise in the heart of eastern Ontario. Casselman, Ontario, Canada, boasts a diverse economy rooted in its rich agricultural heritage while also embracing modern industries and entrepreneurial endeavors. Situated within the United Counties of Prescott and Russell, Casselman's economy reflects the resilience and adaptability of its community members, who have worked diligently to sustain and grow local businesses over the years. At the heart of Casselman's economy lies its strong agricultural sector. The town's fertile soil and favorable climate make it an ideal location for farming, and agriculture has long been a cornerstone of the local economy. Family-owned farms dot the countryside, cultivating a variety of crops such as grains, vegetables, fruits, and livestock. From dairy farms producing fresh milk and cheese to orchards yielding bountiful harvests of apples and berries, agriculture remains a vital source of income and employment for many residents. In addition to agriculture, Casselman's economy is supported by a vibrant community of small businesses and retailers. The town center is home to a variety of shops, restaurants, and services catering to both residents and visitors alike. Local entrepreneurs contribute to the town's economic vitality, offering everything from specialty foods and artisanal goods to professional services and trades. The presence of these small businesses not only provides essential goods and services to the community but also fosters a sense of local pride and identity. Casselman is also home to a number of manufacturing and light industrial enterprises. These businesses range from small-scale operations producing artisanal crafts and goods to larger facilities engaged in the production of machinery, equipment, and other manufactured products. With access to transportation networks such as the nearby Canada Atlantic Railway and Highway 417, Casselman offers strategic advantages for businesses looking to distribute their products both regionally and nationally. Casselman's natural beauty and cultural attractions also contribute to its economy through tourism and hospitality. The town's scenic landscapes, outdoor recreational opportunities, and cultural events attract visitors from near and far throughout the year. Whether it's exploring hiking trails, attending local festivals, or enjoying a cozy bed and breakfast stay, tourists contribute to the local economy by supporting accommodations, restaurants, and retail establishments. As Casselman looks to the future, community leaders and stakeholders are committed to fostering continued economic growth and development. Initiatives aimed at supporting local businesses, attracting new investment, and enhancing infrastructure are underway, ensuring that Casselman remains a vibrant and prosperous community for generations to come. Casselman's economy is a reflection of its diverse and dynamic community, with agriculture, small businesses, manufacturing, and tourism all playing integral roles in its success. Through innovation, collaboration, and a steadfast commitment to its roots, Casselman continues to thrive as a hub of economic activity in eastern Ontario, Canada. Casselman is not just a town, it's a close-knit community that takes pride in its rich cultural heritage and vibrant social fabric. Nestled amidst the picturesque landscapes of eastern Ontario, Casselman embodies the warmth, hospitality, and spirit of its residents, who come together to celebrate tradition, foster connections, and create lasting memories. Despite its small size, Casselman boasts a rich tapestry of cultural diversity, shaped by generations of settlers from around the world. From the indigenous peoples who first inhabited the land to the European immigrants who arrived in the 19th and 20th centuries, the town's cultural heritage is a mosaic of traditions, languages, and customs. Today, Casselman's residents represent a melting pot of cultures, contributing to a vibrant and inclusive community where diversity is celebrated. Throughout the year, Casselman comes alive with a myriad of community events and festivals that bring residents together in celebration and camaraderie. From summer fairs and agricultural exhibitions to winter carnivals and holiday markets, there's always something happening in Casselman. These events not only provide entertainment and recreation but also serve as opportunities for neighbors to connect, forge friendships, and strengthen community bonds. Casselman's cultural scene is vibrant and thriving, with a variety of arts and entertainment offerings for residents and visitors alike. Local artists showcase their talents through exhibitions, performances, and workshops, while community theaters and music groups provide opportunities for creative expression and artistic collaboration. Whether it's attending a live concert, browsing an art gallery, or participating in a community art project, Casselman offers a wealth of cultural experiences to inspire and delight. Sports and recreation play an integral role in Casselman's community life, with residents of all ages coming together to participate in athletic activities and outdoor pursuits. The town boasts a range of recreational facilities, including sports fields, parks, and trails, where residents can enjoy everything from soccer and baseball to hiking and cycling. Youth sports leagues, fitness classes, and community events promote health and wellness while fostering a sense of teamwork and camaraderie among participants. At the heart of Casselman's community spirit is a strong tradition of volunteerism and philanthropy. Residents generously donate their time, resources, and talents to support local charities, organizations, and causes, making a positive impact on the lives of others and strengthening the fabric of the community. Whether it's organizing a food drive, participating in a community cleanup, or volunteering at a local shelter, Casselman's residents embody the spirit of compassion, generosity, and goodwill. Casselman, Ontario, Canada, is more than just a town, it's a vibrant and inclusive community where culture thrives, connections flourish, and neighbors become family. Through a shared commitment to tradition, collaboration, and mutual support, Casselman continues to be a place where everyone belongs and where the bonds of community are cherished and celebrated. Casselman, Ontario, Canada, prioritizes education as a cornerstone of its community, offering residents access to quality educational opportunities from early childhood through adulthood. The town is served by schools that are part of the larger education system overseen by the Ontario Ministry of Education. Casselman is home to elementary and secondary schools that provide education to students from kindergarten through grade 12. These schools offer a comprehensive curriculum that covers core subjects such as mathematics, language arts, science, social studies, and physical education. Beyond academics, Casselman's schools often emphasize values such as teamwork, leadership, and community involvement. Students benefit from dedicated teachers and staff who are committed to fostering a positive learning environment and helping students reach their full potential. While Casselman itself may not have post-secondary institutions within its borders, residents have access to a range of post-secondary options within commuting distance. Nearby cities such as Ottawa offer universities, colleges, and technical institutes that provide opportunities for further education and training in various fields of study. Students from Casselman can pursue undergraduate and graduate degrees, diplomas, and certificates in disciplines such as arts, sciences, business, healthcare, and technology, among others. Casselman residents have access to primary healthcare services through local clinics, family health teams, and individual practitioners such as family physicians and nurse practitioners. These healthcare providers offer a range of services, including routine checkups, preventive care, diagnosis and treatment of acute and chronic conditions, and referrals to specialists or hospital services when needed. Primary healthcare plays a crucial role in promoting wellness, managing health conditions, and addressing the healthcare needs of individuals and families in the community. While Casselman itself does not have a hospital, residents have access to hospital and specialty care through facilities in nearby communities. Hospitals in larger cities such as Ottawa provide a full range of acute care services,